Hello everyone, this question is about differentiation. The equation of a curve is 2y squared plus 3xy plus x equals x squared. Show that dy dx equals 2x minus 3y minus 1 all over 4y plus 3x. So the first step is to differentiate both sides with respect to x or y. Actually, we use x here. So now when we differentiate 2y squared with respect to x, what we get is 4y dy dx. Okay, just like differentiating 2x squared, we get 4x, 2y squared, we get 4y. But times dy dx, because they have different letters, this is x, this is y. Okay, implicit differentiation concept. Now for the 3xy, we have to use uv product rule. What we get is u prime v plus v prime u. If the u is 3x, the u prime is the derivative of 3x with respect to x, so it is just 3. And if the v is y, the v prime is the derivative of y with respect to x, which is just 1 dy dx. And the derivative of x squared is just 2x as usual. Okay, now we can factor out the dy dx. We have 4y plus 3x, and just move this 3y to the right. We have minus 3y, move 1 to the right, minus 1, and we divide both sides by 4y plus 3x. We get what we need to prove. Now for b, show that the curve does not have a tangent that is parallel to the x-axis. X-axis is a horizontal axis. Parallel to horizontal axis, we have horizontal tangent. So the tangent of a horizontal line, the gradient is 0, and gradient is dy dx. From the previous part, dy dx is this guy. So we are solving this fraction equals 0. When a fraction equals 0, the numerator equals 0, or just multiply both sides by the denominator. So now you can move the 3y minus 1 to the right and divide by 2. We get x in terms of y. So we need to substitute here to the original curve. If this x value and y value exist, then there's gotta be some points where the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So let's find the points, if any. So we replace this x and this x and this x with 3 over 2y plus 1/2. So we replace the x, the x, the x, and then expand everything, simplify everything, try to find the y. So 3 times 3/2, so 3 times 1/2, and just rewrite here. This is the a plus b all squared, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now we simplify. The one with the y squared, 2 plus 9/2 minus 9/4, we get this, and 3/2 plus 3/2 minus 3/2, so just 3/2, and finally 1/2 minus 1/4, that's 1/4. And then we can multiply both sides by 4, so times 4 both sides. 17 plus 6 minus 1, this is 0. Now if there is a root from this quadratic, the determinant, discriminant, okay? Discriminant is supposed to be positive. Let's try and find the discriminant. B squared minus 4ac. Discriminant is negative. discriminant is negative, therefore there is no solution. So the coordinates does not exist. So in this case, after you find the negative discriminant, we are done. We have proved that there is no tangent that is parallel to the x-axis. Alright, I'll see you again next time.